Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming identity and funding. This unlocks trading tiers and fiat rails. Once verified, enable 2FA and set a withdrawal passphrase so your account is secure. Next, deposit funds. Choose a bank transfer for lower fees or send crypto if faster. Make sure to check network confirmations and required memo or tag. You should see balances in your Kraken wallet. If not, refresh and recheck deposit details. These first steps get you ready to place real orders. You now choose an order type and size, mark it for instant fills, limit to control price. Once done, set stop loss and take profit levels to define risk and reward. Calculate position size so you risk only a small percentage of capital. If using margin, make sure leverage is appropriate. Remember, higher leverage multiplies both gains and losses. Monitor the order book and spread. If your limit won't fill, adjust price or cancel. These steps execute your strategy while preserving capital. To finish, close positions by placing opposing orders or reduce exposure stepwise. Confirm margin requirements and funding costs before executing. Once settled, withdraw profits. Use whitelisted addresses for crypto and a verified bank route for fiat, and watch withdrawal limits and fees. If anything goes wrong, an unfilled order, missing deposit, or pending withdrawal, check order status and transaction ID first. If needed, contact Kraken support with TX ID and screenshots.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.